Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the Tech Share. Today, it's all about emojis. That's right, those little things that we love to use on Facebook and Twitter and everything else. So today, using an emoji with Google on your Windows PC, it could not be easier. So let me show you how. It doesn't matter if you're in a Google Doc, a Google slideshow, whatever you're in, as long as you're on a Windows PC, basically all you need to do is this. Just click where you want to put the emoji, and then the two keys that you're going to need to use are right here. You're going to hold down the Windows key, and as you're holding down the Windows key, hit the period key. And when you do, boom, you're going to get this little window with all of the emojis that are available to you. All the categories for the emojis are here, so you can get to whichever one you'd like. And basically, all you need to do is simply select the one that you want, and it puts it in the document. When it's in the document, of course, you can always resize it if you'd like, make it larger, but that's basically it. So again, just hold down the Windows key and the period key, all of your emojis right at your fingertips whenever you need them. So again, for those of you that are into emojis, go emoji crazy with that tip. Windows, period. Windows and the period key. That's all you need to know. So until next time, we'll be seeing you. Take care. Bye-bye.